Hello traders, Bank Nifty weekly expiry day. So today Thursday December 8. So we are watching afternoon market. In afternoon market expiry day, market will move some good rally. So we are watching in afternoon market. In afternoon market after 1 p.m. a buy call generated. So a green color candle open, buy at 43,574, that is our entry point. Above green color line or target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. First target range is around 110 point, that is 43,683. Okay, so every day in live market you will receive signal like this. Whenever you open the chart, you can get the signal according to the market movement. Only when the trend changes, you will receive the signal in live market. For example, today at 110, after 110, a buy call generated. So like this, when the trend changes buy or sell, you will receive signal like this in live market. Let's wait and see how this buy signal will work out. After 1 hour of the market movement, it finally able to give some positiveness in the market. During the first 1 hour of the market traded at 43,600 to 43,560 range. In between this 50 point range only market traded. But after 210, now the bullish momentum begin. Within 3 candle, the target one reached and market move all the way up to the 43,700 range. Like this today buy call generator and break out the first target. If you want this chart, to subscribe this chart, just send me hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.